Yo, what's up, Wolsters, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm here with my brother Luke, and we are going to be following a tutorial that I made in 6th grade. So for those of you who don't know, I did start my YouTube channel back when I was in 6th grade, but I only got to about 100 subscribers before I decided to quit. This was the last video that I made. Unfortunately, this video has over 3,000 views, which is really cringy and really awful, because it is titled, How to Make the Ultimate Fluffy Slime, and I also low-key looked like a porcupine. If you want to check this video out on my channel, it will be linked at the end of this video, or you can just scroll to the bottom of my channel. But first, please watch this one. For today's video, I thought it would be fun to follow this tutorial that I made in 6th grade and see how it turns out. If you guys do enjoy the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. And if you would like a notification shout out in my next video, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, hit that little bell icon, and comment that you hit the bell. Every single video I do a notification shout out, so if you'd like to find out who won the notification shout out for this video, stay tuned till the very end when I will announce that. I think enough has been said, and without further ado, let's start making slime.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Will, and today I was looking through my studio, and I was like, oh my gosh.
You can't even hear me because of the music.
So all you guys are gonna need are a bowl.
Oh, so we're gonna need a bowl. We got that.
Cornstarch. Lotion.
Luke's going to get lotion, so I'm gonna keep going.
Foam soap.
Foam soap. You can't even hear me because of this music. This is so bad.
Hand soap.
Hand soap, I have that.
Shaving cream. Something to stir with.
Okay, shaving cream. Something to stir with. Got a little spoon.
Probably a placemat. Some borax.
I'm like, so... Borax!
And the rest will come later in the video.
I don't even know what I just said, but we got borax. Alright.
So let's first take a placemat and put it down. So that's kind of like all you do.
This is so hard to watch. Oh my gosh. Please don't watch this video on my channel. It's so awful. And you can't even hear what I'm saying because the iMovie music is too loud.
It's probably gonna get slime on it. Next, you want a bowl that's probably non-stick. And you're going to fill it up a tiny bit with water.
Okay, water. BRB. God, this video requires a lot of unnecessary cardio.
Yeah. What does that mean?
Alright, so 11-year-old me said to fill it up a tiny bit with water, so I've done that. I set the camera at a lower angle so you guys can kind of see our workspace and what's going on, so.
Alright. Then, you're going to take your glue. The more glue, the more slime.
Oh, really?
Put in all of this.
I put in all of it, so.
If you want a really fluffy slime, add a lot of shaving cream. Then you're going to need your hand soap.
Okay.
Do like 2 squirts. And that's kind of for scent. Then you're going to take your foam soap, and this is 1% and 2. It also
I
makes
did
it
like
fluffy.
7.
Never add soap in after you make your slime.
Good to know.
Then add some cornstarch. This kind of holds the slime together.
Okay, we got cornstarch. I remember in like 6th grade, everyone at my school would like sell their slimes, and I had an Instagram account at SlimeWeb. Oh my god, you guys should go, oh my god. Yep, Will and Bruno's slime account. Anyway guys, go spam SlimeWeb with a bunch of hate. But I remember everyone at my school would like make and sell their slimes on like their little Instagram accounts, and I would like buy slime and like give it slime reviews, because I thought I was like the king of slime. And like give it to my friends, and I'd be like, it's okay, just like tell everyone about my business, and oof. Rough time of my life.
And it's cool how it works. But take something non-stick to mix with.
Okay, is a spoon non-stick? We're just gonna mix it with a spoon. Sorry, 2016 Will. Was it 2016? It was in 2016 or 2017.
Now you're like, it looks like meringue or something.
Now you're like, it looks like meringue or something. Not really.
The next thing that you're gonna do is get a cup full of water. So here I have 1 cup of water.
Okay, the cup of water has been acquired.
That's not
If that's even the right phrase. Like, I meant like a cup of, oh.
Yeah.
Okay, well, whatever.
You're just gonna gradually pour in your borax.
Oh, it's formulating. Oh, it's like working.
Oh, it's the food coloring.
It's like getting like this. By the way, Luke's going to get food coloring. 2016 Will coming through for a real one. It's good. Okay, well, we're done with the video, but the slime is actually really good. I'm gonna show you guys in a second here, but like, Luke couldn't find food coloring. What a disappointment. I thought this video was gonna be an epic fail, but like 2016 Wilbus is like way smarter than I thought he was. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10 because it's a bit sticky and it's not stretchy, but like, it's good. Oh wait.
Oh!
I'm giving it a 9 out of 10. Cut to satisfying slime video. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm not really sure what to do with this slime, but if any of you guys want it, let me know because I'll send it to you. Today's notification shout out goes to Natasha Agarwal. Sorry if I said it wrong. Here's her comment. Thank you so much for hitting the bell. I love you so much. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell, comment when done, to enter the draw for next video's notification shout out. I love you guys so much. If you made it here, you're a true Wilster. Have a great day, great year, great life, etc. Adios.